Alright, so we're doing the 10th of December last year. I'm gonna draw out, we're in RTA shorts, so we're just gonna draw out a full fib. Kind of hit one there as well, one into another full 50. Looking for shorts. This is a one leg, two leg pullback. So this would have been our structure break there. We dipped underneath the low, so we could disregard that short. So that would be extension shorts there. That's a one leg, two-legged pullback. The range is pretty significant. We'll see how it develops. Didn't break structure, so this is our new structure low on the shorts. RTH wise, this is the battle. It's going to be this range all the way up to here to this here, all the way down to there. I think it's even deeper actually. Let's break over RTH highs, and now we're looking for longs. This was the RT8 short position right here once we got that break over. So we did not get that. Now we're in RTH longs. I will not be trading these bigger positions. They're RTH longs and shorts. I'll keep them on there just to monitor, but I will not be trading them. So that's a 1 leg, 2 leg pullback. Our RTH long is over here. Our RTH long is now over here. RTH long is now over here. And it gets adjusted here. We're only looking for longs at this moment in time. Not to say this cannot short. They can. We have, I was going into here, but we did break over our TH highs. It wasn't a wick. We did get a 15-second claim, but don't love that we did claim it for the shorts. It feels more like a long. We finally got a breakover structure here, so I will take a long just at this 786 short. What I don't like about this long, I'll trade 3, is it such a significant, I'm going to trade 2. It's such a significant stop. This move is way too big. I mean, this move is way too big. Well, not way too big. I don't like how big it is, to be honest with you. And we'll stop underneath this RTH low here. 567. 567. It's about a 30-point stop, which is $60 per contract. I'm going to take 2 if we end up coming back. Oh yeah, 2, perfect. 567 short. It's going to be 2, 5, 7. 565-ish. What I would love better is a break over this high, pull back, and then set us up along. So we'll attempt this. If it comes back, if it doesn't come back, even better for us. We're gonna, if we break over this RTH high, we'll have a new high breakover, and possibly our setup to set up pullback. Okay, I'm going to take off this one because it's a little bit less significant. We still have this extension short that I want to monitor. This long hit its target, so I do want to put another fib there for the next target. It went very deep past this, so I'm going to change this long into there to a full. So we did attempt to buy this 786 there. And then I'm going to monitor this break of structure long. And honestly, anything in here for me, no RTH highs, no RTH lows. Everything in here is chop for me. This is a bigger time frame long that could end up working. If not, it's all good. But this is my setup. It's pretty wide, so I don't love it. I hope to break over with a pullback. This is pretty choppy, so I'm just going to speed it up a tad to see how things play out. Speed it up 3 times of 3. And I'll just pause it if anything really significant happens. Okay, so we got filled there. Looks like it might fail. We're all good. It's not something that I loved. It is not something I loved. But I'm trying to really show you guys, if I stick very strict to my rules, what will happen. So if I take this loss, it is all good. We'll find another setup. We haven't broken RTH lows yet. If it does, it is going to take me out. But we'll just, yeah, we're going to re-evaluate here. So it took me out. Oh, I don't know why I'm, okay, I accidentally re-shorted. So I think that's about $115 stop. I meant to stop out there, not buy another set. I got a flat. Okay, so now we're looking for shorts. It's a 1 leg, 2 leg pullback here. We're going to retest our long here. So right here. But I don't love this confirmation. It's just a wick. So I don't love it. I don't love the shorts. We didn't even get a re-break of structure. We are back testing my long. We got a candle, 15 candle close over it. I will still monitor a structure break short. Okay, that's a structure break short. I will attempt something here. It's going to be right here. We're going to pause this here to get our sizing right. Stop is 17. It's going to be about $40 per contract. Let's risk 120 and 717. Yeah, just a little couple ticks higher here. I'm gonna play that out. If it moves lower, might readjust. Fibs locked in. Okay, we're short. RTH is going to be this extension of here. So down here, and the full 20-yard trade is going to be down here. Looks like they'll probably take me out here. Okay, that's about a $120 loss and a $100 loss. We'll continue monitoring the shorts. I didn't love the short because of this wick under, really not a claim under, so maybe that's something that I can really monitor, short or even long wise. Okay, so we do have a structure break here. Okay, it doesn't pull back, so we won't draw any type of fib. I'll be looking at this, any type of pullback. We hit targets. We hit this extension short target here. I'll be looking for a too late pullback for another short. So our structure short is going to be here. Get a break underneath there, so I will attempt a short here. Stop out that 588. 588. Target for this, we're gonna do a full RTH here. Might take one off at this RTH low, 5538 or 538. And we'll hold the rest for targets. Got one out there, so we're gonna do 2 and a flat stop. I would really like this 479. This is another RTA short here. If we end up pulling back, yep. I'm just gonna maintain my original position. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out here. All good. We'll keep monitoring structure short. I mean, they failed this one. Revisit this one. Maybe they do end up shorting it to targets. This is structure here. that's a fail on the short there, according to my original stop. New structure low is going to be here. We'll bring our structure low up to here. Structure low to here. Structure low up to here. Selected very strong. I personally would love, like I said again, a move over here, pull back long, and I'm just going to be patient with that. If we do get a short, I will attempt that though. Gonna delete some of these lines. And the structure low is going to be here. It looks like they might have shorted here. Just this little like wick over. I don't love wick over trades. I got burnt here by a wick under trade. So I prefer something like this. See if we get a pullback. I'll be short here. If this fails, it probably looks like we're going into RHH longs. 661. 3. This is becoming wider. So we'll have to size down. I'm gonna go to 2. So our fib's locked in short here. If we fail this one, probably gonna get a move over. Then I will look for a long short. I mean, a couple leg pullback short for a long. This just might be a lost day. There's how many failed ones? Let's go chart settings, display, show trades, apply all. Okay, so we're short. So we have, pretty sure, yeah, one loss here. One loss. Two loss. Oh, that's a one loss. Can't remember if there was another loss. I guess there wasn't. So it's a one loss, 1/2 win. We'll see how this trade works out. All targeting the same area there. This should be a bigger. Should be. So I don't know how this is 65. This should be about 6 short. I'm doing about 100 stop here. I'm only 2. I don't know why I'm only 2. Yeah. So $6 win. $106. So 40 minus on the day, and I'll do plus 100 here. Or minus 100 here if we get stopped out. It's going to speed it up a bit. Back testing my level. Yeah. I mean, it gives me more confidence with the longs, so. I just want to break over this high, pull back, give me my long. Or just work out for me. If this is the short, this would be sick. All the way back to RTH lows. We did dip under again, reclaim, but we're pretty high up. But this would be a sick short. 456 target. So I have a nice short here. I will take one off of this target. It's pretty choppy. I'm going to do a flat stop because I have a nice trade on now. Do I want to? New low, new high. Yeah, I'm just going to do flat stop. Don't really know if I want to do flat stop just for the sake of my setup. We're going to do full stop. Oh, it took me out as flat stop. We'll see what's up. Cancel this here. So we'll just take that as a full loss there. So we have one loss, two loss, and a $40 winner. So we're about 160 negative on the day. I'm hoping for a break over pullback long. Okay, RTH longs. Let's look for a couple leg pullback for another long here. So we got a one leg, two leg, three leg pullback. A little bit of a breakout structure, but kind of want something deeper. So I don't mind this now as the breakup structure over this pivot high. I'm going to bring it lower here. Bring it lower again. It's a red candle, but I don't mind that wick high. Obviously yeah, it's a back test of that, my short there. Okay, we're gonna break over that pivot high. I will look for a long. It's a nice and tight fib. Okay, we cannot draw it there. Now we can lock it in. I'm gonna pause it here, just in case it really pulls back quick. Let's take a 3 long there and a stop under 634. It's about a 10-point stop. You want to take about $100 stop. 34, 15 points, which is $30 per micro. 30, 30, 30. So we're gonna do 4 here. We'll play this out. Of course it doesn't fill us there. Okay, next. So this is what we were looking for. We finally had to move over to RTH highs. Clear multiple fails of the shorts. Okay, it lines up with something here. So we have original RTH long, which would match up for 20R long as well. We're going to stop underneath this pivot low. And we're going to monitor any type of new setups here. If it does take us out. Took us out there. So we're going to monitor a new setup. This is kind of getting in my way, so we're going to do display, show trades, apply, no. Okay. I like this pullback. I just hope we can get a trade off of it. So that's a new low over this high. Does ever break a structure? It's another new low, so we're going to place it here. Another new low. What a choppy day. like this. Need another new high though. High volume, new low. It's gonna be over that pivot high. Yep. Seen a pullback. No pullback. Here's our pullback. Set up a one here. Stop it as 584. 584. We're gonna pause here. 584. We have a very tight stop here. We're gonna do 4. It's about $100 stop. Come on, give us the entry. It's gonna go. Or is this just a choppy day? I don't know. Okay, we're filled. Is this just a choppy day? Or is this gonna be the trade? I kind of planned this out from the beginning, bro. Like, oh, okay, nice, okay. So where's our targets? Our targets are RTH long, but I always love the RTH second. Yeah, so 714 if we can make it. I love that wick. Holy shit. Okay. Oh my gosh. What the frig, bro? What the heck? 735. Okay, I'll take it all off here. 4. What the frig, bro? Right on that entry right there. I've run 6 times, so it happens so freaking fast. Okay, 20-yard trade is right there. It hit 20-yard trade. This is just the original. I kind of want to take it to... Okay, second target hit. What the frick? I should take it off right here. Holy crap, bro. Give it to me. It already gave it to me, but... There we go, nice. Nice.